Changing your verification method on Instagram can enhance your account's security. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Open Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then select the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, choose Settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option and tap on it. This section contains all the security-related settings for your account. Step 4. Select Two-Factor Authentication. Under the Security menu, find and select Two-Factor Authentication. This feature adds an extra layer of security to your account. Step 5. Change verification method. In the Two-Factor Authentication section, you will see your current verification method. Tap on it to change it. You can choose between options like text message or authentication app. Follow the prompts to set up your new method. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on Instagram. Regularly updating your security settings is a good practice to keep your account safe.